The BABYZOOMER, designed and developed by RUSHWORKS, is a small servo kit for controlling zoom or focus on camera lenses. It mounts on PTX pan-tilt heads and translates VISCA or DMX zoom commands into LANC for lens control. The gear drive adapts to various zoom lenses from many manufacturers and supports the 16 zoom speeds available in LANC protocol. When using RUSHWORKS VDesk, Remo, and Control-R software solutions, you can save and recall up to 6 zoom preset levels on each of the 8 preset buttons. And you can optimize the preset zoom setup for the specific lens you're using. The BABYZOOMER is especially useful with the Blackmagic Micro Studio camera, for which there isn't a power zoom lens available with wide enough aperture to pass adequate light to the sensor.